So here's a question for you. What are we doing?
We are putting in a cold air induction kit into the Camaro.
All right, should we do it before? See what it sounds?
Yeah, we should move this shit though.
Please start.
Just don't run me over.
So do you remember the instructions?
No.
First thing we want to do, well, first thing is we already took off the engine cover. But that, do you remember what that's called? Right? No?
It's the like negative battery.
No.
No? Then I don't know.
Right. You know what? They say disconnect the battery first, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
All right. We should do that.
I have to find all. You have to see all the settings first though, because then it disconnecting it erases all of it. Weapon. I can guarantee you that this has been used as a weapon. Well, not this one in particular.
Yeah, I hope not, because you're just saying that I've weaponed people with it.
No.
Can I use weapon as a verb? Weaponed? I weaponed someone? I feel like I can.
Can I Google that? This one here?
Yeah.
All right.
This one. Sweet.
It wiggles. All right. So, what is next? You remove the stock intake tube. So you just remove it.
Yep. So, yeah. Put the
Put the screwdriver down. And then that kind of
jiggles it, and it's
All
off.
right. There we go.
All right.
Where are we putting
Just next to the bike there. Or yeah, that's fine. As long as it's not where we're going to be walking. We want to try not to walk there.
All right. Then that's good because I have the memory of Dory. Rotate the crankcase vent tube 180 degrees. Then release the retainer valve. Okay, so this
Yeah.
is what it looks like.
Okay. And what do they say to do?
Rotate it 180.
Okay. And then what?
Is that 180?
That's about that.
Alright.
And that's the idea. Just leave it there. Just kind of get it out of the way. What?
It's rotate that.
I haven't
and then
read the
release
instructions.
retainer valve.
Okay. Sorry.
And then release the valve at the tank cover port.
The valve at the tank cover port. I have to look at this. Sorry. All right. So I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. There we go. So you rotate it so you can
Get in there.
just want to get a good video of it.
This little piece. See.
Oh, you get yours in your hand. I wonder if I should go to the other side for a better angle. Hold on. Which little piece?
This one right here. You see it?
No, it's still in your hand. There it is. There we
This
go.
little piece right here. There you go. I gotta rotate that a little.
See it? Push that over.
Push. Come on.
And then pull. Perfect.
Okay. So it works like that.
Gotcha. You push that over and pull it out.
Alright. That was the other parts. Remove the two airbox retaining nuts, which would be these.
Gotcha. So, there we go. So we're removing the airbox bolts.
Nuts.
Nuts. Sorry, nuts. You're right. Wasn't me.
There you go. Put that in my pocket.
Cool.
And then this down. And you remove it, okay?
Is that what they say?
I'm pretty sure. parts from the vehicle.
All right, so we found a bit of a mouse nest from the winter. I mean, nothing. But everything's out. Looks good.
Yeah, took a little bit of wiggling, but
Yeah, so if you're doing this at home, keep in mind that right here, it's a pin that jams in, and it's kind of a just yank. Just yank. It's not a screw, you just gotta yank. So
not gonna break it.
you're not gonna break it, just yank it.
Pop right out.
Yeah. So the next thing is, they say to actually pull the mounting grommet out of the frame rail. So there's that. Oh, awesome. Thank you. There it is.
Just checking in there.
Little head's peeking out.
Not that I can see now. No, we're good.
Nice.
Okay.
So that was this one. And then there's the filter adapter. Well, we need the filter adapter. There's some license plates to blur out. So do you see how that works?
Which way does which?
What lines up with what?
Well, this has these little doodads here. No.
Doodads, a technical term. All right.
Absolutely. And then it has to line up with this. So I have the perfect size knee.
Oh, hey, look at that. It fits right in the hole. Perfect.
And then we line it up like that.
Yeah, definitely. Your knee will heal, but not the. You got it.
Yeah.
That's good, right?
Okay.
All right. Next.
And you fit the trimming on it.
All right, gotcha. Okay, so we're gonna stop putting this on the pavement because every time you do, it gets scratched.
Ooh.
Right. So we'll put it up here. What do you got going on there?
So we are adding the edge trim onto the heat shield. So
Cool.
we're gonna figure it out as we go, I guess.
Going on okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think I'm gonna start from the other side actually, because that is like funky. So
Sure. Whatever works.
get that on here. I can just there we go. I have to like push it down.
So now that that's done, what's next?
Well, what's next is install the heat shield assembly onto the vehicle so the inserted nut goes into the airbox mounting grommet hole. So
it's
the
this thing
mounting
here? So we have to put a. What do you need?
this, right? Right?
I don't think. Yes, that's right.
This?
That's the one. Yeah.
Will go onto the
Sure. It's recording now.
yeah.
So this goes here, and that goes down there. So here, you want to put the...
So
We'll switch sides if you want. Oh, I was looking for that T-handle thing. You left it on the floor.
Washer.
That's bad.
through here.
So there was a little plug thing that goes into the frame rail where we pulled out the grommet, and then it goes in, and then this bolt goes into that, and then I'm sure it swells to hold it in place as you tighten it.
I'm gonna need something to tighten it.
Oh yeah, what size is that? I'll go get you. Okay, first of all, let's see. This is not the right size, but I want to know. It's too deep. Yeah, I won't be able to use that. I will get you the appropriate socket. All right, so we've got our 13 mil socket on there. Next thing we're doing is we're taking out the map sensor from the old gearbox. Just Torx bit mabob. Mabob, that's the technical term. It's Torx bit. Screws.
I'm gonna need these.
And then I think that looks like it's got a hex head, which is the red handle one. Yay. Tight enough not to back out while we're driving. Sweet!
Look at this sexy thing.
Look at that, eh? Holy cow.
See my own reflection. I mean, it's warped and funky, but it's still there.
All right, so what is next? I think me install it next.
Well, what
Oh,
else?
no, there's the plastic tubey tube.
This tube.
Yeah, so they're
It
on
says
you.
it's white there, but
Yeah, black here.
um,
You see there's a hole there?
yeah.
You think? It doesn't say anything about Teflon tape or anything weird like that, eh? They're easy to cross thread. Install event fitting hand tight. Then turn it 2 complete turns with a wrench. So,
But I can't. Hand tight.
well, that hand tight means like how far can you go with your hand?
That.
All right, let's see.
What?
Sorry.
You go and get me.
Is that? It's not cross threaded, right?
No.
It's pretty tight. All right. Get this back. You got it?
Yeah. Here you go.
I'll take it home.
All right. Install the intake tube assembly into the silicone hose at the filter adapters.
Okay. Here's one thing we need to do first. Place. No. Want it to match, right?
I am going to assume that it
here?
goes this way. That was
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right. So what am I doing here? I'm putting those on before so that we don't have. Got it. Man, those dogs are barking.
Yep.
Tighten up the hose clamps.
Is this in far enough here? I want to say yes.
Yeah. So, yeah.
I'll just put my bad wrist in the most uncomfortable position.
You want me to do it?
No, do you see what I've done?
Yeah.
Probably shouldn't do that to it. That's as tight as she's gonna go.
No, that's good. So, I see something that just wants to be connected. Do you want to do that? I mean, I don't know if it's next on the instructions, but I can't imagine it's a bad thing to do that.
But But it's done. So
there we go. Done. I keep having the camera upside down. That's okay, I can flip it in post-production. Post-production, that's what I call it when I'm on my computer doing stuff. How close that? Done.
yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Here you go.
Should I just do this since I'm here?
Good.
Good.
There you go.
All right, so what's next, man?
Have you put it on there?
Yeah, I just jammed it on.
Right. Okay.
It's supposed to go over the top. Yeah, if it goes underneath, it'll get hung up on a pulley, so that's probably bad.
Huh?
All right, cool. I keep hitting this thing. I should take it
I'm
down.
going to get the screwdriver. Where is it?
Oh, it's in my pocket.
Well, I'm gonna need it.
So you're hooked up, man. You're hooked
Yeah,
up.
all right, so you put it in the thing.
Yeah.
There. Right. And then she's tight.
Yeah. Sweet. Top's back on the engine. Everything's installed. Now we'll give it a start. So I'll give you this. Two things I need. One is a flashlight. Can you see where I put the flashlight?
Over there on the ledge. Love how this is glow in the dark. It's like those glow in the dark stars for your ceiling.
This, I'll give you that. So, first thing you want to do is you want to put this on there. There you go. Yeah, good. And then tighten her up.
Oh, there's the light for the car.
Nice and snug, but not too bad. How's that? Okay, good. So
There you
the
go.
best way, and then after you're done, you just kind of want to make sure it doesn't jiggle. You know what I mean?
Here we go.
That.
Oh boy.
Sorry, blinded you. And I'll give you that. I'm just going to put this back in. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave it because it kind of first started the spring. Didn't seem like it wanted to, so I had to put a booster on it. Are you ready?